Welcome to Future Minds, GenAI Data Science podcast, where we explore cutting-edge world of generative AI and data science. I'm your host, Manav. I'm thrilled to have you with me today as we embark the journey into fascinating realms of AI and data. In this introductory episode, we will discuss what you can expect from future episodes, the exciting possibilities these technologies offer, some real world example to get your imagination spark. So whether you are seasoned data scientist or AI enthusiast, simply curious about this field, you are in the right place. Kick things off by talking about generative AI. For those who might be new to the concept, generative AI refers to systems that can create new content, whether it's text, images, music, or even the entire virtual world. Unlike traditional AI, which focuses on recognizing patterns, making predictions based on the generative existing data, generative AI take things step further by generating new data. A prime example of this is OpenAI GPT-3. This is powerful language model that can write essay, generate creative stories, answer questions, even compose poetry. Imagine having a conversation with a machine that can respond in a way that feels like genuine human. That's the magic of generative AI. In our upcoming episodes, we will deep dive into how models like GPT-3 are trained, their wide-ranging applications, ethical implications of their use. Switching gears to data science, this field is all about extracting insights, knowledge from data. Data science combines statistics, computer science, and domain expertise to analyze, interpret complex data set. The goal is to make informed decision based on the data, whether it is business, healthcare, or even entertainment. For example, healthcare industry. Data scientists are using machine learning algorithms to predict disease outbreaks, personalize treatment, and even discover new drugs. Imagine future where discover doctor can predict a patient risk developing disease years in advance, allowing for early intervention, potentially saving lives. We will explore this groundbreaking advancement more in our future episodes. One of the most exciting intersection of generative AI and data science is the creation of synthetic data. This involves using generative models to create data that mimics real world data. Synthetic data is particularly useful in situations where privacy is a concern. By generating data that is statistically similar to real world but does not contain any actual personal information, we can perform valuable analysis while protecting individual privacy. Now let's talk about some of the tool technologies that are power generative AI and data science. In future episodes, we will deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, which are essential for building training AI models. We will also discuss data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI, which help us make sense of complex data and communicate insight effectively. We will also deep delve into real world applications of these technologies. For instance, we will highlight the startup using AI revolutionize customer service with chatbot that understand and respond to customer inquiries in natural language. We will li- look into research teams covering new scientific insight using AI to analyze massive data sets that would be impossible for human to process manually. Of course, we can't ignore the challenges, controversies in this field. In such episodes, we will tackle topics such as ethical implications of AI generated content, the potential for bias is data models, and the need of transparency, accountability in AI and data science. These are critical issues that we will explore with the help of guest experts and thought leaders. To give you a sneak peek, in our next episode we will talking about basic neural networks and how they form backbone of many generative AI models. We will break down the complex concepts in easy understanding language, provide practical example to illustrate how these models work. Whether you are new to the field looking for deepening your understanding, this episode will be great starting point. Throughout this podcast, we will aim to demystify this technology, show you how they are being used to solve real world problems. We will feature interviews with industry leaders, deep dive into cutting edge research, practical tips anyone looking to get started generative AI and data science. So if you are excited about potential of generative AI and data science, make sure to subscribe Future Minds Gen AI Data Science. You won't miss any insight discussion and exciting content we have planned. And if you have any questions, topics you had like to us to cover, feel free to reach out social media uh, in comment section. Your feedback curiosity drive this podcast. We are here to explore fascinating field together. Thank you for joining me today in this introductory episode Future Minds Gen AI Data Science. I can't wait to explore this fascinating world with you in upcoming episodes. Next time, I'm Manav signing off. Stay curious, stay inspired, keep exploring amazing possibilities of generative AI and data science. Thank you.